Good morning students. Today we discuss about the applications of stack. As we know that stack is a linear data structure and stack is based on the concept of last in first out. The first application of stack is to reverse a string or to reverse a sequence, and we can reverse a stack by using recursion. Recursion is a function which call itself again and again. Suppose we have a stack and we input the elements 4, 3, 2, 1 into a stack. As we know that push and pop operations on a stack are done from only one end, that is known as the top, and from top we can delete the element as well as insert the element into the stack. So when we delete the elements from a stack, the elements which we entered in the last will comes out first. So in this way we can reverse a string and the output we get is 4, 3, 2, 1. Now next application is to convert infix to postfix. This is also known as the Polish notation. So before converting infix to postfix, we must come to know what are postfix, prefix and infix expression. In infix expression, the operator is in between the operands, like we have a plus b expression. And in postfix, the operator is after the operands, like ab plus. And in prefix, the operators are before the operands, like plus ab. Now first is to convert infix to postfix conversion. Infix to postfix conversion is also known as Polish notation. Suppose we have an expression a divide by then bracket b minus c bracket close into d plus e, and this expression is enclosed in a bracket. First we scan the symbol. First we scan bracket, then the stack is at in stack we have bracket, then we get nothing output. When we then we input alphabet a, then stack is empty and the output we get is a. Then we enter divide. Again we have output a and the status of stack is push. We are pushing divide operator. Then again we open the bracket, then we have a bracket, divide, then bracket, and the output we get is a. Then we entered b. Now again we have a bracket slash bracket and the output we get ab. Then we input minus, then bracket slash bracket minus, and we have in output ab. Then we entered c. Again in our stack we have bracket slash brackets minus, and in output we get abc. When we entered close bracket, then the pop operation will be performed. First of all we will the minus sign will come out. Then in output we have abc minus, and in stack the remaining we left is bracket, then divide. Then we input asterisk or multiplication, then in stack we have a bracket and opening bracket and multiplication sign. Then we get abc minus divide. Then we entered d. Again in a stack we have a bracket, multiplication sign, and in output we have abc minus divide, then d. Then we entered plus, then in stack we have a opening bracket and plus sign, and in output we have abc minus divide d multiply. Then we entered e. Again the push operation will be performed, and in stack we have bracket plus, and in output we have abc minus divide d asterisk e. Then a closing bracket, we scan closing bracket, then a stack becomes empty. So for then we get the expression ABC minus divide D, then multiply E, then plus. So when we enter the operands, then push operation will be performed, and when when brackets will be closed, then pop operation between the topmost operands will be performed. Now again we convert postfix infix notation to a postfix, and we have expression 2 multiply 3 divide, then in bracket we have 2 minus 1 bracket close plus 5 into 3. So first we enter 2, now stack is empty, and in output we have 2. When we entered multiply, then in stack we have a multiply, means push operation will be performed, and in stack we have multiply, and in output we have 2. Then we entered 3, again in our stack multiply is there, and the output we get 23. Then we enter divide sign, in stack we have a divide. Now multiplication will be performed. Now the output will be 2 3 multiply, means when you entered a operator into a stack, then pop operation will be performed. Then we entered bracket, and in stack we have a divide, then bracket, and in output we get 23 multiply. Then we enter 2, then in stack we have divide, then opening bracket, and in output we have 23 multiply 2. Then entered minus, then in stack we have divide, opening bracket, minus, and in output we have 23 multiply by 2. Then we entered 1, again in our stack we have a divide, opening bracket, and minus 1, and in output we have 2 3 multiplied to 1. Then we entered closing parenthesis. Then pop operation will be performed. First of all minus comes out, then we get the output 2 3 multiply 2 1 minus. Now only one divide will remain left in stack. Then we entered plus, then in stack we have a plus, and in output we have 2 3 multiplied 2 1 minus divide, means pop, we entered operator, then pop operation will be performed. Then we entered 5, and then as in stack we have plus, and in output we have 23 multiplied to 1 minus slash 5. Then we entered multiply, then in our stack have plus multiply, and in output we have 23 multiplied to 1 minus divide 5 3. Then we entered 3, then plus multiply. Now in output we have 2 3 multiplied 2 1 minus slash 5 3. Now the stack will be empty, we perform the pop operations. Now first we multiply will comes out, and our expression will be 2 3 multiplied 2 1 minus divide 5 3 multiply plus multiply, then plus will comes out, then expression becomes 2 3 multiply 2 1 minus divide 5 3 multiplication plus. So in this way we can convert infix notation into postfix form. Thank you.